You have a Boxy camera, and you have a Boxy camera, and even you have a Boxy camera. Now every brand is going to make a Boxy camera, and the C50 included will be a Boxy camera design. You might have seen these images in old posts talking about patents for the new Canon XC15. However, this will be the base of the new Canon C50, and instead of having a built-in lens, it will be replaced with a RF mount. With its Boxy design, it will be competing with the likes of the Z-Cam and also the Panasonic BGH1. However, the main difference with the C50 will be that it will have a Super 35mm sensor and also built-in ND for it, and also having a tilt screen on the back and two full-size XLR ports under it. So this will also be possible to have like a side grip, as it's noticeable that there is a Rosetta on the side for that. Comparing it with the C70, the C50 without the side grip will be of course much smaller, but also noticeable there will be using a Canon LPE6 battery that is actually placed through the side door on the camera body, and noticeable also under the door there is a SD card slot and also a CFast slot, while the C70 uses Canon BPA batteries and only have SD cards. And looking at the C50 Boxy design, we can also see that on top there is a hot shoe mount that can actually be used with different Canon accessories like a light and a few other things. And of course you can mount a shotgun mic on top of there. But also there are several mounting points, and there is a design for a top grip. However, I do feel like a lot of people would probably go for a third-party grip because it looks like that the grip is just a grip without any extra features to it. As you might have heard people praising the Canon C70 as a mini C300 Mark III, so we should actually look at the C50 as a mini C200 but with a RF mount. And having that RF mount would be really great because Canon also released a speed booster to make that Super 35 into a field of view closer to full frame. But also the main thing is looking at it this way. We have a kind of cripple hammer as same as the C200, because the C200 does not have 10-bit 422 internal recording. So that is something that a lot of people might prefer to get the C70 instead, which have that 10-bit 422 internal recording. So main thing with the C50, it will be able to record 4K 60p RAW inside of the camera to the CFast card, and also record 8-bit 420 onto the SD card. Price-wise, the Canon C50 is rumored to be around $3,000 making it much more affordable than the Canon C70, but it will be much more expensive than compared to the Blackmagic Pocket 6K. However, it's not really competing in the same kind of market because the C50 have much more things built into it, like a built-in ND filter and also having proper large size XLR ports, but also having the dual pixel autofocus for much better, quicker focus and also much more accurate focus. And you don't really need to add tons of extra accessories onto the camera and can directly film with it much easily and have a much more smoother workflow. So what are your thoughts about the Canon C50? Is this a camera that you are looking forward to? And would you pay $3,000 for it? Please comment it in the comment section here below. And while you're there, hit the like and subscribe button here below. And if you want to see more videos, there'll be videos popping up now that you can click on, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.